Have you ever wondered how to make $100 per day, $200 per day, and eventually $500 per day? Without further wasting much of your time, this is your boy, Ofentse Ledwaba. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and families. And also, guys, so that you can also share it with many more people, including your friends and families. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can make money trading the Nasdaq and also the move that we managed to tackle today. Stay tuned. I'll just go much more deeply into showing you guys how we managed to be able to profit on this move, because this was currently what we had. Let me use this before we took our trade. Okay. So how we managed to tackle this trade is that we managed to see that this is a downtrend, but then it's in a corrective pattern. As you can see, let me remove the chart. Okay. So coming from daily time frame, as I always advise that whenever you're trading Nasdaq, also start from higher time frame. So basically, you can see that we are having this type of movement. The overall direction that we're anticipating to have something this nature. So with this, you can see we had this. So we knew that we are ultimately going to the upward. And also you can see that this is a W formation. Okay. Something like this, which also turns into a what? A double top. This also becomes a double top. So you can see the overall downtrend that was within these areas has been broken down, and now it was a retest here. So look at what is happening here. This was the downtrend, and when it touched here, respecting these lines, now it broke out of the structure. You see, out of this chart pattern. And I'm looking this on higher time frame. You must remember that. You must always remember you should be able to see the bigger picture. So you can see what is happening here. This point now, hence I always emphasize that you can have a horizontal double top or a ascending or diagonal double top or double bottom. So you can see what happened here. The touch here emphasize that, and you can also see that something like a touch. So you can see it pushed. So now you know that you go to 4 hour. So always avoid, guys, to draw many lines. So I'll also draw my lowest point. Let's go to daily so that I can be able to emphasize it much more. This is our lowest point, our sensitive area. So I can see that we are having a very sensitive area here. Let's go to 4 hours so that it can be much more clear. You can see that at this point, this area is very much sensitive, and then we go to 1 hour. So by mere having this points, you should know that yes, you are having points here, and then Let's see, we are having dive much deeper, you would see that you have this sensitive area before having this, and then much deeper, and also this. Show you how we managed to catch this move. It was a very profitable. So you can see we broke out of the structure. We broke out, then we came, bounced here, came, bounced here, forming an M formation. Then we came here, creating a W, then we pushed to the upside. So this, you would have something like this, knowing that you are taking this from zone to zone. And that one will be this one, because I like using this in this manner so that I know that I'm catering for this. This now becomes my bigger level of support. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, and then we had this. Smooth. So normally what I like to do, I can see that we broke and now we are retesting this level. So our retest will be let's see, you can see we went, we broke, then we came back to retest. So this is a level of sensitivity. So how we managed to catch this, we knew that, okay, our zone is there. It's best to buy low and sell high. So we were at our low, testing this. So we had our move, and stop loss was a little bit. We targeted because you can see that it's possible for the market to do something like this. It's my brush. For the market to do something like this, then push further to the upside. So we targeted this point. Yes, our lowest, hence our stop loss was here. And our target was, as you saw, we could have our first TP here. One. Then now TP2 will be here. TP2. TP2. Always try not to put your TPs directly at the wicks. You see here, I would rather put it here because sometimes the market tends to reverse. You see, let me show you here. You see, if you put your TP there, you see the market is reversing now. So it's better to have your TP here. So your TP will be here. Okay, with that line. And then, yes. See? So this is just a way how we managed to catch this trade. And now we reached our TP, and now I'm looking at taking this further up. Should we this do something like this? I'm looking for a further buy. So thank you guys. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and families. See you in my next video. Peace.